I'd like to welcome you guys to Storymaker. This is a project that I've been working on for the last 6 months, and I am in um, I'm in a phase of basically turning this into a product. The basic idea is that Storymaker uses generative AI to create illustrated audiobooks for free. Uh, so you can use different modes. You can get your text with a Gutenberg, so you can get publicly available books and turn them into illustrated audiobooks. You can upload your own text. You can create your own story, which is an interactive mode. So this is mainly intended for use in classrooms. So um, especially neurodivergent people could have access to illustrations or voiceovers or interactive chat boxes that correspond that works within the context of the book that are studying, and it's shown to help in the studies. So I will first go with the search of the Gutenberg. Gutenberg is a database, like I said, of publicly available books that are copyright free. So I built an API to this database so we can search for example, Kafka, and Kafka will show up, for example, meta-purposes, the trial, and the German original German versions as well. So I will select metamorphosis for this purpose of this demo. So now what happens is the text of the metamorphosis is taken from the Gutenberg, and then it's being fed into the different AIs so that we will have the images and the sound and everything. So these are the characters. We get the characters here. So the characters are chat boxes. Basically, you can talk with them, interact with them. They're in the book and they're in the section that you are reading right now. So let's say start a conversation with Gregor Samsa, and we say, "Hey Samsa," and he's gonna respond. And it's generally very depressing because he just turned into a bug. So, but we will wait. Yeah. Hello. I apologize for the inconvenience, but I must inform you that I'm not in the best of the conditions at the moment. I woke this morning finding myself a bug and something like that. So this is for example, the first paragraph that shows that he turned into a bug, and you can refresh this image as well until you get whatever you want. And yeah, it's all illustrated, and so you can also listen to the audio.
What's happened to me? He thought it wasn't a dream.
Yeah. So basically, this is the idea behind this project, and you can also create your own story, which is the mode that you can feed your own inputs, like say where your story should unfold. You say forest. Who will be your story hero? You say fox. What tone will your tale carry? Comedy. And you will select the narrative formation, so like the Hemingway or Austen, let's say Hemingway here, and it's gonna create a unique story based on your inputs, and so that's gonna be just for you, and this is gonna be extended especially for people to allow for more inputs and more customization. But at the end, it goes to the same idea that it returns the same illustrated audiobook. So one of the good parts about this project is this is completely can be run in Docker freely, and you don't need to pay anything for it. So uh, you don't need to use any services or anything. You can just run it on your computer, and it's really good for especially my intended purpose to use it in classrooms and or personal use. So you can see here the animations and everything. The new tale is created, and yeah, so the last part that I would like to show is something that I'm working on. So basically I'm working on this uploading or scanning text, where you can upload or scan text, and one of these important parts, this also goes into the mobile integration, because you can use this in your mobile phone to just scan something. It uses a text classification AI to just get the text. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. Yeah,